Hi, my name's George. Today I'm at the USW Cardiff campus in the heart of Cardiff, and I'm going to show you around the city. Cardiff is a really thriving student city, and with that comes a lot of really cool options of places that you can live. However, we recommend a couple of different places. First of all, just here we have T Pont Heian. We also recommend Adam Street Gardens, which is literally just down the road. But these are a really great location because they're just so close to the campus. You can roll out of bed maybe just a tiny bit late after you've had a really fun night out in Cardiff, and then you just cross the road and you're here. Easy peasy. So I've just taken a short walk into town, and now I'm at the Motorpoint Arena, which is just here. This is a really great venue. You can get music performances here, they do sporting events, exhibitions, the works. I've been to Comic-Con here, I've seen bands, and it's just a really great place to go to some events. So less than a 5-minute walk from the campus is going to bring you directly into the centre of Cardiff. This is where you're going to find places like Cardiff Library, loads of places to eat, as well as loads of places to shop as well. This street's called the Hayes, and it's basically the central hub of everything cool that's in Cardiff. Also on the Hayes, you're going to find one of the many entrances to St David's shopping centre. St David's has loads of shops and places to eat all under its one big roof. It's a one-stop shop for all of your needs, and it's just 5 minutes away from campus. Cardiff is a city of arcades. We have some wonderful examples of both Victorian and Edwardian architecture here. There's over 100 independent shops inside, including one of the world's oldest record shops called Spiller's Records, where you can go pick up any kind of vinyl releases that you might want to check out. Cardiff's nightlife offers something for everyone. Whether you want to go hit the nightclubs or hang out at a cocktail bar, or maybe even do some gaming whilst you drink, there's definitely something for you to find in Cardiff that will make you happy on your nights out. This behind me is the Principality Stadium, and again it's right in the centre of town. Of course, Cardiff is very famous for its rugby, but it's not just rugby that takes place here. We've had the Champions League final, we've had Olympic football events, boxing, and all kinds of concerts and gigs as well. Queen Beyonce herself has performed at this venue, Take That, Ed Sheeran. Something for everyone. We always get the big stars in Cardiff. This is Womanby Street. It's one of the oldest streets in Cardiff, but it's a really great place to come if you're into any kind of alternative musical culture. You have loads of up-and-coming artists from Wales's music scene coming here to perform. Cardiff has lots of different venues of all sizes. You have Tramshed and Depot that are close to the station, easy to get to, that hold a variety of different events. On the north end of St Mary Street, you have even more arcades, and these ones are packed with places where you can come out and study if you fancy a change of scenery from campus. You've got Corner Coffee just behind me, but then also Barker's Tea and Coffee House. But then you also have a whole load of new cocktail bars down here as well. You've got places like the Libertine that are serving really interesting and brand new cocktails, as well as places like Zizi and Pizza Express where you can come where your family visits. This is the City Hall and its gardens. Every year at Christmas time, it transforms into Winter Wonderland, where there's ice rinks, hot chocolate, you can toast marshmallows on an open fire. It's wonderful. But then you also have the museum just next to it, so you can soak up some culture, and it's completely free. This here is Cardiff Castle. It's a really lovely place to relax when it's sunny, or even just come and do some work on the grass. It also hosts a whole load of events. So you have things like Depot in the Castle and Tarfoil as well, which is a Welsh music festival, so you can get to learn the Welsh culture whilst you're here. Right next to Cardiff Castle, you have Butte Park. It's the beating green heart of Cardiff, and it's just the perfect place to do some relaxing, or maybe even some studying. Butte Park has 3 separate cafes, including the Secret Garden, the one right by the castle gates, and then one right next to the river. So no matter where you want to hang out, there's a place for you to get some snacks too. It's also paved, so it's a really great place to do some running, cycling, or just general recreational exercise. You can get a boat down to the bay. It leaves from Butte Park and takes you all the way to the heart of Cardiff Bay. Cardiff Bay is a great place to hang out with your friends in the summer. There's loads of space to sit outside in Rodell Plus. You also have really great restaurant chains like Wagamama's and Nando's. So no matter what you fancy, there's something for everyone. We also have an everyman cinema here, so you can have a top-notch first-class cinema experience and have your food brought to you whilst you lounge on some sofas and watch your favourite new film. Cardiff Bay also has the Wales Millennium Centre. So here you can see loads of theatre shows and touring productions. Things like The Lion King and Hamilton are coming to visit in the next few years. Cardiff is always welcoming and always changing. It's big enough to discover, but small enough to make it your own. It has everything you might already expect from a capital, but there's always something unexpected around the corner. There's something for everyone. Come and explore the fastest growing city in Europe.